Hey guys, this is Riley with BizNaz 101 in today's video. We will show you how to add video to your Shopify store without using YouTube. First, open the link to our full guide below in the description of this video. Next, to get started adding your video, click Content from the left dashboard and select Files. Then click Upload Files and upload your video to your Shopify store. Now that we have our video, we need to add it to our store's theme. To do this, return to the guide and copy the provided code. Now go back to your Shopify online store and select Customize Theme. Next, we will scroll down and add a custom liquid section to the page. This is where we will paste our code. Now click Save. As you can see, we need to add our video still. Return to your store's files and copy your video link. Like so. Then return to customizing your theme and replace the example text with your video link and click Save. Your video should now be visible. For the final step, we will preview the store to ensure everything looks the way you want it to. You have now successfully added a video to Shopify without using YouTube. Don't forget, you can find the full guide below in the description or contact us at BizNaz101 for help with your store. Thank you for subscribing.